I'm out here with my converted Flybear J35 EDF jet that's now a pusher motor and prop. I'm still in the process of getting it all tuned out, but it's getting closer. Alright, let's see here. Wind. Alright, launching. I'm backing way off the throttle in fully stabilized mode here because now we're in gyro mode because I'm getting some oscillations from it in fully stabilized mode, but it's not bad in gyro mode. Seems to be really maneuverable, and this seems to be really stable. So I think this airframe is really good. Rolls look really good. What do you guys think of that? Good power. Well, I'm pretty impressed with it so far. Now I think with the lipos that I'm using, I should be able to get about 5-minute flight out of it, which is what I've got my timer set for doing mixed mode flying. I'm going to source some larger lipos to put in it, because right now in order to get my CG I've got 10 grams of nose ballast weight on it. Yeah, I think it's hitting some wind. I don't think that was an oscillation. Really nice roll rate, nice tight axial rolls, so I think the balance is good. Seems to maintain its line really well. Feels pretty locked in, and even at 185 grams, which I think is what it is right now, with the nose ballast weight, it still feels light on the wings. Okay, I'm about to get my end of my timer, so I can't turn very sharp in fully stabilized mode, so let's see if we can bring it in. That is an amazing little airframe there. I mean, it is very, very stable in the air, and even at 185 grams, like I was saying, it feels really light on the wings. I mean, you can make some really tight turns with it. It seems like it's effortless. So I'm really happy with the way this project turned out. Stay tuned for some more flights on this jet. Anyway, that's a wrap on this episode. Stay tuned, and I will see you next time in the TinkerzLab.